So in today's video, I am taking you to Bonwire village located in the Ashanti region of Kumasi. Bonwire village is the place where the Kente material is originally made. Kente material is the pride of Ghana. This is where you get the original material. And today I wanted to know the main history of the Kente material, so I came to the village to learn and know more about the origin of the Kente material. When I came into the village, I realized that most of the indigenes here in Bonwire have their own wooden handloom used in making the Kente. This is no wonder the Kente is the pride of the Bonwire village. Aside from the Kente that you found here in the Bonwire village, I also found out that there are other people, indigenes of the Bonwire village, that makes slippers. Yes, they make shoes, they make slippers, and it's also made with the Kente also, with different designs, different styles. And I saw some really beautiful designs made by one of the villagers. I was able to capture the picture and the videos of it, and I just want to come out here to say that the Bonwire village is somewhere that you need to visit. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to yet another video. So I am here in the Ashanti region of Bonwire village. In this village, this is where they make the Kente. They have the Kente museum here. So here you see different people just making the Kente, different types of Kente. And in this place, they also tell you the history of the Kente, where the Kente came about. The road is a bit rough, so they'll drop you at the junction and you use your leg to walk into the village. So it's quite hot, so we're going to go inside. I've done this video before, but because of my phone that was taken from me, I couldn't post the video on YouTube, so I'm doing it again. So if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you're subscribed. Do me a favor by sharing to your friends, like this video, and I'll see you guys inside. So come on, let's learn about the Kente. This is one of the workers at the Kente Museum, and you can see how he's taking his time to weave this material, to weave this Kente material. Usually the Kente material takes a lot of experience and a lot of time and a lot of patience to get ready. And when I mean patience, you have to make sure you are setting the designs right. You don't want to make any mistake. Coming here to see these people myself, I actually applauded them. You might look at it and see what they think what they are doing is very small, but actually it takes a lot of time, a lot of experience, and kudos to these workers. This material is actually a beautiful material, not just because of its color, not just because of the history, but because of the time and effort that is put into making the Kente material.
You are welcome once again to Bonwire Kente. As you know, we say Bonwire is the main origin of Kente cloth. And if we say Kente, Kente is a hand-woven cloth. It doesn't deal with any electronics. As you can see, these people weaving. There is no electronics. All of them are handmade. And then we have three main types of the weaving. We have single, double, and we have triple. So if we say a single weaving is a plain weave like this one.
In the process of shooting the video, the person behind the camera, I don't know what happened during the explanation the tour guide was giving to me. He ended the video, so I'm going to explain to you what he was telling me about the kente. So what you are seeing on the ground there is the wooden handloom, the very first beginning of the wooden handloom. This is the start of the kente. The history behind this is two hunters went into the forest to hunt as usual, and then in the process of hunting they saw a spider weaving a web, making a web, and from there they got an idea, like, what is this thing this spider is doing? He's weaving a web, like, how can we form something out of what they were doing? And that is how these two hunters came back to the village, got this whole idea, and made this wooden handloom, this small wooden handloom you are seeing here. It just has 3 ropes tied on it, as you can see. And then from the beginning they started going slowly. They were able to realize that they can actually form a material out of this, and that was the beginning of the kente before it was formed into a bigger wooden handloom. So they went from this, and as time goes on they started evolving, and eventually they created a better and easier way for people to make the kente material, and a more convenient way. And also I learned that the kente has different names, beautiful colors. Are 3 types of the kente. They have the single weaving kente, the double weaving kente, and the triple weaving kente. So aside from the colors, the beautiful colors you see, each and every one of these kente has been named by the worker. When the worker is making it, whatever inspires them, whatever they see, whatever they feel like this is the name that should be given to this particular design, is what they give to the design.
Life is not straight. Yeah, and we have names like Fatia befitting Coma. Yeah, and then we have one that says Obama. Yeah, when President Obama was in Ghana, yeah, we presented him one nice piece of cloth, and Obama became the name of it. Yeah.
So it was also said that the king of the Ashanti or just
the Ashanti Empire. The Ashanti is an empire.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the king of the Ashanti Empire wears only one, like he has a design that he wears, and when he wears it, no one else is.
Not particularly. Gone are the days that was the rule. But for now, the Ashanti king have thousands of the kente cloth. Yeah. So what they normally do is, during an occasion, he will send a spy to go and check if all the kente design that people are wearing, and they will come back and choose a different, very unique design for the king. And the king will be the last person to come there. So if you come before the king and you are wearing the same thing, yours will be seen. Yeah. So that is
unique culture.
Yeah.
So that was it, guys. That is everything you need to know about the kente, the origin of the kente in the Ashanti region. I had to come here again because before now, I've been here before. I came to talk about the history. We learned a lot, but after I misplaced my phone, after my phone got stolen in Kente, I had to come back here to recreate the video because this is a very, very special and unique part of the Ashanti region, and I just can't live here without taking the memory of this with me. So don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. The last time I was here, I bought this design. What was the design I bought? Something like this, but it was a straight one. Yeah, so this time around, I'm trying to recover, so I won't be buying anything again. Oh yes, that's it, you guys. Don't forget to support, you guys. Support this video. Like this one.
Just press pause your leg. Find some place to put your bag. Here is not Kajetia. Here, if you go and come by, you come in. You don't have to do anything until you are told to do so.
Okay.
Have you? That is the English, the normal English for JAM exams.
Okay.
Is that your handkerchief?
No, I didn't come with handkerchief. Okay, so I'm learning how to weave the kente, guys. Which weaving is this? Is it a single weaving? This is the single weaving, right?
Yes.
So I'm learning how to weave the single weaving here. So let's see.
Okay, so let's use the black one. This one here is called the shuttle, and this is how you're supposed to hold the shuttle. You don't have to touch this one. You hold it at the end here. And then whenever the shuttle is in your right hand side, you press your right leg down. So your right leg down, harder, harder, and then you throw it, and then you beat it to the beater. Oh, beat it like, then left leg, that's it.